Oh yeah.
This is Kelly doing a Melissa imitation. Start.
Oh, you guys video recording this? Okay, well, my name is Melissa, and I have le herpes, if you know what it is. Well, it is slowly going away, but it is spreading to my ass cheeks, so I really do not know what to do anymore. Anyways, there is this boy I really want to fuck with, and I think it's fuck, oui. Il s'appelle JP, but he does not want to fuck me. It is like he doesn't have a zizi. And even if he has a vagine, I still want to sleep with him. You know, it is sex. You cannot live without sex. Tu comprends? Oui. Because sex is good. It is like food I do not eat because I get fat from sex. You get fat from sex too. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. But anyways, as I was saying, I think he knows that I have had 2 abortions, and I have, warts and these boils on my vagine, and I have some on my ass cheeks, but I am not going to show you because I think some of them are bleeding. But anyways, as I was saying, he does not want to sleep with me, and I do not know what to do. I don't know if it's because my boobies are small, I have a fat vagina, je ne sais pas. Quelqu'un doit m'aider, s'il te plaît. I do not understand what is going on. Nobody wants to fuck me. I haven't had sex in 3 days. Okay, 3 flipping days. Okay, 3 days. 3 days. What am I going to do? And my neighbor does not want to sleep with me. He says it's because he is 10 and he does not know how to put his zizi dans une vagine. What kind of shit is this? You just put it in the hole.